Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second class of the beginner level. This journey is going to have a beginner level, which is this one. Then we're going to have a stylist pro level. And then at the end, there is this master excellence hair couture, which is going to be a mind-blowing experience of creativity and fun. So I'm very excited, but before that, we have a lot of stuff to do, a lot of things to learn. So the first class was about the ponytail. This second class is going to be about the bun. The bun is one of the most classic and timeless updo ever. Literally 50% of the brides who wants the hair up will ask you for a bun, because it's absolutely timeless and has been really one of the most beautiful and precious and classy and clean hairdo ever. It's very aristocratic, it's very chic, and it gives a lot of importance to the face and a lot of importance to the dress, because you can really see the silhouette, so there are no hair in between. So everything is very sleek, it's very clean, and it's very chic. It's absolutely beautiful to pair with a tiara or with fresh flowers. I actually have a surprise for you today about the accessory that we're going to use. So one of the most important things, I'm going to teach you how to do a classic old school Sicilian bun, which is what I used to do when I was working with Dolce Gabbana on the fashion show. Because when you see the model for Dolce Gabbana, the low bun that they wear is a little bit different than the regular low bun. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna teach you what's this difference. We have so much stuff in the box, so just be patient and be faithful, and I cannot wait to share everything with you. So everything is gonna start with, we're gonna brush all our hair backwards. Like this. With a low, with a low ponytail, but not attached to the scalp, a little like 2 inches away from the scalp. Okay. In the meantime, make sure that you are brushing everything at perfection, that you have worked all the hairline with the brush like we did in the first step. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, please go to the first episode and to see how to prepare the hairline for an updo. And when everything is ready, go with a little bit of hairspray. I remember, this is still one of my favorite hairspray, is Elnet Hold Strong, because I love that when we brush away, it doesn't leave like any sort of white powder in it, which is very important if you need to change updo during the day. For example, there are many brides who want to change an updo from the church to the reception, so this is absolutely perfect. And also it's good because it keeps the hair very flexible, but at the same time it really stays strong. So what we do is, we do this. As you can see, so now we're gonna open in the middle like this. And we're gonna twist our ponytail. Inside of it. So we will have this. How beautiful is this sort of movement, you know? Now let's make sure you see this. Bring in the side, twist it, and bring it long. 1, 2, this was it. How chic is that? Also, another version of the bun is this. Just keep this up. Roll the ends in your head, rolling up, and put them inside of the spot like this, and lock it with 2 bobby pins. 1, and 2, and then just open up. Look how beautiful and delicate it goes on the neck. This is just so chic. How beautiful and how chic it is. I mean, this can be paired with the like chandelier earrings. They will look very beautiful. Like how graceful. This is just a taste of what you will learn in this program. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe in the channel because more will be revealed. Let me know what you think in the comment. Don't forget to share this with your friends, your coworker, or with people who love hair as much as you and I do. Don't forget to practice because practice makes perfection, okay? I will see you in the next class that is gonna be the French twist. It's a beautiful and amazing hairdo that you will love to do. And I want to leave you today with a beautiful quote from San Francesco of Assisi, which says, "He who works with the hands is a laborer. He who works with the hands and with the head is a craftsman. He who works with the hands, with the head, and with the heart is an artist." He wrote this quote almost 1,000 years ago. Until the next time, ciao!